Dispatch Dick Manila, blasting out of the gate, moving up by the Relis Monte, Napoleone, together with Keyboy, Paris Melody, Concert King, down on the inside, Deputy Jazz, Honor Class, Niagara Boogie, Smart and Noble, Red Wine is the tail ender. Back to the front runner, the lead belongs to the outstanding favorite, and this one is Monte, Napoleone, followed by Keyboy in second, Paris Melody racing in third, fourth, number 4, and this one is Deputy Jazz, down on the inside, Honor Class, Concert King, Swajdik Manila, and Niagara Boogie. As they race the last 500, Monte, Napoleone, Keyboy, pressing up on the outside, sizing up, mirroring each other, Monte, Napoleone, Keyboy on the outside, Keyboy, Monte, Napoleone, Keyboy now takes the lead, Keyboy, Monte, Napoleone by the run, Keyboy, Monte, Napoleone, but Keyboy outlasting Monte, Napoleone. Third, Concert King, Paris Melody, and Niagara Boogie.